Hello, I'm Luke.
And I'm Jade from Wex Photo Video.
And today we are at Devil's Dyke in Brighton to test out the GoPro HERO12. And we're going paragliding.
It has 5.3K resolution and it is tougher than ever. We're really excited about the specs.
So let's get to it.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Run!
Whoa. Ah. Woo! Okay, that's incredible. That's great.
So now that Luke is soaring through the skies, I'm going to take you through some of the specs for the HERO12. So one massive upgrade with the latest GoPro is they have doubled the battery life. At 5.3K 60, you'll get 70 minutes of continuous recording. At 5.3K 30, you'll get an hour and a half. At 1080 30, you'll get 2.5 hours straight through. It's more durable and waterproof than ever before. It also features a brand new water repellent lens cover, allowing you to eliminate flare and capture stunning photos and video. So there are brand new power tools in the latest edition of the GoPro. One of these new tools is called Interval Photo. This feature allows you to snap away whilst you focus on your favorite sports and activity. There's a new feature called Hindsight. This allows you to capture up to 30 seconds of footage even before you've hit record. This is great because you won't miss any moment.
So I'm really enjoying the 5.3K. I don't know if you can hear me, but this is stunning. And it's exactly the kind of thing that this camera is brilliant for. This is actually quite a smooth ride. We'll have to try out the stabilisation a little later in another environment. We might strap the camera to a dog and let the dog run around and see how that performs, but so far, so good.
There's a new mode called Schedule Capture. This allows you to set the camera to take a shot up to 24 hours in advance. This means the camera will be set up to take that beautiful sunrise and you don't even have to be there.
That surprised me. It's like Harry Potter.
Whew! That was great. That was great. Spiral at the end scared me.
So that was my first time paragliding and I absolutely loved it. I didn't so much like skydiving when I've done that before, so I was expecting this to be as bad. Let's see what this camera offers in terms of video. So HDR apparently is much improved with photo and video, which is great news for your shadows and highlights so you can mess around in post, get the best out of what you've caught. It offers 8 times slow motion at 2.7K. Now, one big upgrade with the HERO12 is that it's got something called HyperSmooth stability. So you can chuck the GoPro on the back of a dog and it's going to perform incredibly well and extremely smoothly. Now, we can't show you that because this is unfortunately a pre-production model, but we're told it's absolutely mind-blowing. The extra large field of view is apparently the most expansive and wide view they've ever had on a GoPro, which is really useful to be able to capture everything that's going on in the scene. So it offers 8-bit and 10-bit. Obviously, if you want smaller file sizes, go for 8-bit, but if you want that amazing looking footage, go 10. And it offers log for those of you that really like to get into grading. So that's really nice that it offers that. A lot of you might be into your sports and you want to put multiple cameras on different people during an event or something. For this, they've got time code syncing, which is going to make editing so much faster because everyone's going to be on the same level and you can get that footage edited quick. It's got Bluetooth audio syncing, which is an absolute dream for vloggers, especially when you consider you've got that front-facing screen as well. It's got hands-free capture, which means that you can talk to the camera and tell it what it needs to do, set it to different modes and record totally hands-free, which is great if you are into your sport and your hands are occupied.
So that's been our review of the GoPro HERO12. Here's how the GoPro scored against other action cameras at the time of filming. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.